Hey, I'm shooting this quick video to show you how our square check tape measure works. The measurements are actually not 1/4 of an inch off. I've got this tape measure, the square check, at a 45-degree angle here on this board with a regular tape measure on top of it just to show you the measurements. If you have it at a 45-degree angle like this, it should measure perfectly. You can see my 2s line up, 3s line up, 4s line up all the way through. What this tape measure is primarily designed for is checking the square, say, of a rectangle. So I've got this rectangular board. I would be able to measure from this corner right here to the far corner, and it's roughly on this board about 35 inches. Then I would measure from this corner to that corner. Again, if it's 35 inches, I would know that my board is square. If both measurements aren't the same, you'd know that your board or whatever piece of lumber you're working with is not square. If you want this to work as a standard tape measure, let me get this one out of the way. What you're gonna have to do is to burn, I would do 2 inches because that's the easier mark to see. You'd have to just put it like this and burn 2 inches on your board, and then you'd be able to use it as a standard tape measure. But you can't use this one as a hook tape measure like you would with this smaller tape measure, just because this hook is designed specifically for checking the square of timber. And again, this would be the tape measure you'd want to use if you want to do measurements where you hook it onto something and pull it back and measure. Not this guy. This one you need to burn 1 inch to get accurate measurements.